Hey guys, before we start, please make sure to stay until the end. We're going to talk about common mistakes people make that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Stay with us, we'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Super quick, very helpful video for any of you trying to find fuses, relays for the fog lights, guys, on GMC Terrain, that generation here from year 2010 to year 2017. Stay with us, we'll talk about that. Please do not waste your money on parts, tools, diagnostics until you watch that video. It could be quite simple fix. By the way, if you need to buy, guys, any replacement parts, tools, fuses, relays, guys, we will share that information in the description of the video below. Check it out and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. So let's start on it now. Before we guys start, let us tell you quick a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos showing you how to fix engines, transmissions, engine codes, fuses, relays. And by the way, guys, on that generation GMC Terrain, we're going to have more than 150 videos alone for fuses, relays, why things don't work, how to fix them. Check it out, why we make those things to save you money, guys. Let's say you're in the middle of nowhere, you need to find a fuse for a fuel pump. You just come to the channel, watch the video for a minute or two, replace it, you're back on the road. And on our YouTube channels, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos, guys, that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So let's start on it now. So for the fog lights, which fuses and relays we need to check, guys, we will demonstrate on that generation GMC Terrain right here. Quick advice. 9 out of 10 owners do not know where all the hidden fuse boxes are located in that GMC Terrain. That's why we made a special video on our YouTube channel that's called GMC Terrain Fuse Box Location and Diagram video that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Go ahead and open the hood facing the engine on the right side here. That's the driver's side. You see you have a brake fluid reservoir. Next to it is the main engine fuse box. You have a clip here, a clip there. Release them, lift the cover up, and underneath you're going to find a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we guys continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. It is, guys, very important to test fuses and relays. On those fuses you cannot clearly see if they're burnt or not, especially you can see in the J-case fuses as well. And if you guys assume, okay, let's say you remove a fuse, you look at it and you assume, guys, that it's actually a good fuse, but it's actually a bad fuse. Sometimes you cannot clearly see that. What can easily happen, guys, at that point, you can put the bad fuse in and you start replacing parts and tools that you don't need to, so you lose your time, you lose your money to fix a problem that doesn't exist, when all we had to do is test the fuse and replace it. We'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses, how to check relays very easily as well, guys. So check it out, it will be in the description of the video below. For the fog light specifically, we need to check two different components. You wonder where they're located now, guys. The main fuse is known as fuse, guys, number 40 for the fog lights. And that fuse, okay, that's 3940 right here. That 15 amp fuse, that's the fog lights fuse right here. What about the relay, guys? The relay is known as relay 65 and it's right underneath. Usually they're in groups. You see, that's the fuse, that's the relay. So those are the main fuses and relays for the fog lights, okay, that you need to check. You may, if they still don't work, you may want to check the headlight fuses, because if you have a problem with the headlight fuse, the fog lights will not work as well. If you want to see where the headlights, fuses and relays are located, we'll have the video on the channel to help with that as well. So guys, this generation GMC Terrain, it has all kinds of different fuses, different kinds of fuses and relays, especially if you go in the engine compartment fuse box, you can see. Now, those could be sometimes hard to find. We'll recommend to always keep some spares in the glove box for peace of mind, because if you're in the middle of nowhere, guys, okay, and you need to find a replacement fuse for the fuel pump, you don't have one, you may be stuck there. So get some. We'll share the information in the description of the video below where you can get them from. Check it out, and that's where we get most of our tools and supplies from. Hopefully the video will be helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Thank you for watching. See you next time.